Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to look at the second Binance Megadrop, which is Lista DAO. I'm going to show you exactly how to join the airdrop. We will lock some BNB, complete the Web3 quest, and basically everything that you need to do so that you can get as many tokens as possible. So in the previous Megadrop we had BounceBit, the first ever project on Megadrop. I joined it and I gotta say the rewards were more than satisfying. Way more than those in launch pool. Everyone who joined the last Megadrop got at least 79 BounceBit tokens. No one received less than that, which are worth around $50 right now. We had to invest around $8 for fees, but besides that the profits were really nice, so let's hope that we will get the same results this time. Anyway, Binance announced the second Megadrop project, which is Lista DAO, a liquid staking protocol. The farming period starts on the 3rd of May and ends June 20, so you have 20 days of farming the token. As in the previous Megadrop, there are two ways to get points. One is by locking BNB tokens. If you lock them for more time, you get more points. And the second one is again completing a Web3 quest, which is staking 0.01 BNB in the Lista DAO dApp. It's very simple to do, just follow along with me, but before that let's take a quick look at the tokenomics of the project. It has a max token supply of 1 billion and 10% of that is given for the Megadrop and an initial circulating supply of 230 million. So roughly around 40% of the initial supply is given for the airdrop, so we can expect some crazy volatility once the airdrop is finished and the coin is launched. Anyway, let's start completing the tasks one by one. Open up the Binance app from the homepage, click on more and then Megadrop. Open up the Lista tab and this is where all the information on the Lista DAO Megadrop sits. As I said, there are two ways to earn points. And based on those points, you will receive Lista tokens when the airdrop finishes. It is best to do both of them. This way you get a nice multiplier and you will receive more tokens. We need to first lock some BNB, as I said, and as you can see from the screen, if you stake for more time, you get more points. I personally don't want to lock any tokens for 120 days, and if you're okay with that, you can do it. I'm going to lock mine for 30 days. Hit on subscribe, choose the locking period and the amount you're going to lock. But before you do, leave around $8 to $10 worth of BNB, as we're going to need them when completing the quests for staking and paying for gas fees. Once you're done, hit confirm and go back to the Lista Megadrop page. Before we get into the quest, I would like to kindly remind you, if you like this type of content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. This way you help the channel exist and grow in the future, and you also help me stay motivated to keep making this kind of videos. Now the second thing we need to do is complete the Web3 quest. We need to stake some BNB in Lista. For that you of course need a Binance Web3 wallet. If you haven't created one, now is the time to do it. Pause the video and then come back. For those who already have a Web3 wallet, we need to send some BNB to it from our spot wallet. Go back to the Binance home screen and from there navigate to the wallet section. On the top, click on Web3. Once that loads up, click receive, and then if you want to transfer BNB from your spot wallet, click on transfer in. Choose BNB as the coin we are going to send from our spot wallet and BNB Smart Chain as the network. Hit on transfer and now we enter the amount we have left unlocked previously, which is 0.015 BNB in my case. As you can see, we're going to pay a small fee on the Binance network, then hit withdraw, and in a minute or two we should see our Web3 wallet funded with BNB. Now go back to the Lista Megadrop page and click on Start Quest. You will be redirected to the Lista landing page where you have to connect your Binance Web3 wallet. Once you're done, click on Stake BNB. Now enter the amount of BNB tokens you want to stake. Whatever you put here will be swapped into SLIS BNB. The minimum amount is 0.01 BNB to complete the quest, so that is the amount I'm going to put in. Confirm the transaction and you should get a confirmation that you have deposited your BNB tokens to Lista. Just for your information, if you want to later unstake once the airdrop is over, you can do that by going to unstake, put in the amount you want, then hit unstake and then confirm the unstaking. Also keep in mind that there is a 7 to 15 days unstaking period. Anyway, that's it for the quest. If we go back to the Megadrop page, we can see we have a green locked badge for locking our BNB tokens and the quest has been completed. Now how is the score calculated? Every day Binance takes a snapshot of the amount of BNB tokens that you have locked, and based on that you get some points. Quests gives you a multiplier by 1 by default, and when you complete all the quests, that multiplier increases to X, so it will be bigger or smaller depending on the project. In this project there is only one quest, so by doing it our multiplier increased to 1.5x. And finally, the Web3 quest bonus, which is a fixed amount that you will receive only if you complete all the quests given. They have also given us an example from which you can see that if you don't complete all the quests, your score will be equal to only what you've earned through staking the BNB tokens. So if you're going to get into Megadrop, make sure you do all the quests so you get all the bonuses and multipliers available to get as many points as possible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.